Hello everyone. Today I'm going to provide a detailed comparison between two Asia's most important royal complex, the Forbidden City in Beijing, China, and the Hui Imperial in central Vietnam. Although were designed as political and ceremonial center, they reflect different history, cultural influence, and architectural philosophy. To begin, both the Forbidden City and Hue Imperial City were constructed at the heart of imperial power. The Forbidden City was built in the early 15th century under the Zhongli Emperor during the Ming Dynasty, and it continued to serve as a administrative and residential center for China Emperor until one 1000 1912. In contrast, the Hui Imperial City was built much later. In the early 19th century, when the Nguyen dynasty unified Vietnam, it became the royal capital from 1802 until 1945. One important similarity is a strong influence of Confucian ideology on spiritual organization. Both cities follow a strict north-south central seat, symbolizing karmic harmony, and the emperor role as a mediator between heaven and earth. They also share hierarchical layout. The outer courtyard were used for official ceremony, examination, and reception. The in the inner area housed private residence, temple, and garden reserved for the royal city. Great courtisan and were on served as the physical reminder of rank, authority, ritual order. The similarity highlight how Chinese culture deeply influenced Vietnam, especially during the Nguyen period. However, despite their shared foundation, their architectural style and cultural expression differ significantly. Forbidden City is a monumental complex covering about 180% with nearly 1,000 surviving buildings. Its architecture represents the head of China imperial aesthetic, massive wooden hall, a symmetrical layout, marble terrace, an iconic reservoir with golden yellow roof. The choice of yellow symbolizing the emperor communicates divine authority and exclusivity. The skill alone reinforces the power and longevity of China Imperial system. On the other hand, the Hui Imperial, the third model party after the foreign city, reflect Vietnam adoption in response to climate, geography, and local tradition, where it's smaller and more reserved in style. Many building traditional Vietnam wooden structure, curved root, and intricate lacquer and mother of period decoration. The city also integrated large garden, lotus pond, and open countryside that responds to a tropical monsoon climate. Furthermore, the complex includes massive defensive system with North Button and fortified wall, showing a blend of East Asian Palace architecture with French urban style military influence. This hybrid design marks it as both a royal and a military capital. Another major contrast lies in their historical preservation. The Florian remain one of the best preserved place complexes in the world. Although some renovation have occurred, most of its structure has stood relatively intact a century due to China's stable centralized control and early preservation efforts. Hui Imperial, unfortunately, experienced extensive during damage during the 20th century, war, especially the Battle of Hui in 1968, destroyed many palaces, temples, and gates. Only, only fraction of the original structure survive. Since the 1990, Vietnam had been working continually to restore this site, but reconstruction is still incomplete. This difference in condition tells us how external fraud and political turmoil directly influence cultural heritage. Despite the difference, both sites are now UNESCO World Heritage Site and are treated as national treasure. They attract scholars, historians, and millions of visitors who want to understand the tradition of East Asian royal cult. The foreign city symbolizes China's imperial strength and architectural mastery, while Hue imperial represent Vietnam's cultural identity, resiliency, and the blending of various influences. In conclusion, the Forbidden City and Hue Imperial City share meaningful similarity in function, symbolism, and cultural roots that they differ in scale, architectural character, and history perfect. Together, they highlight the diversity of East Asian imperial tradition and importance of preserving the cultural landmark for future generations. Thank you. 8 phút, biên với L. Hình như nhầm bài. Không phải nhầm bài. Ôi, đéo dừng được.